So I was walking and I heard things popping under my feet. Cicadas. Look at them. Hold on, let me back it up. Cicadas everywhere now. They probably came out last night. Look at this one climbing up. See if they have any of that. No, he looks healthy. I don't see any of that zombie stuff. There's a thing. Look at, oh, here's one coming out. Here's one coming out. Look at him coming out. Oh. Oh, there's so many of them. Dude, they're everywhere. They're all up the tree. Dude, they're everywhere. Holy shit. I've never seen them come out like this on the first day. So I haven't heard them. There's one crawling. See if we can see him pretty good. I just heard somebody walking by. They stuffed down one, and you can hear them pop. Yeah, it sucks that they're all over the ground like this, but that's why there's millions, if not billions of them. Happy cicada season, Chicago.